Hello you lovely people, how are you all doing this beautiful day? I'm Ishna and I welcome you back to my channel. From the title you are aware that you are up for a haul video, but this time you are going to be seeing bags. So it's a bag haul. I have purchased a couple of bags from Amazon and they are all affordable, all close to 500 rupees. So it's an affordable bag haul. So if you are into bags and hauls and stuffs like that, I'm sure you will be enjoying this video. So make sure you stick on till the end. But before we get started, please spare a moment to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon next to it so that you're notified for all my future uploads. Now let's get started and see what all I have purchased, all the bags that are with me today. Now all the bags are close to rupees 500, so it's an affordable bag haul. So yeah, we'll just dive into the bags and I'll start showing everything. But before we get started, I'll quickly cover what's on my lips today. I'm wearing a very affordable lipstick. This is the LA Teens lipstick in the shade R35 Red Wave. The writing is super tiny. I'm not sure whether you'll be able to make out, but this is what's on my lips today. It's a very pretty red shade and it's a universally flattering color. With that covered, let's see the first bag that I have purchased. Now all the bags that I'll show you come in a plastic bag like this, so it's good. All came protected and in their individual bags. Please excuse the background noises. People are working, construction sites are there next to my house and people are traveling, so the honking are continuously there. I can't help it. Now this bag, this came in a thin sheet like this. I don't know what this is called. This is not kind of a dust sheet or something. I don't know what material is this. If you know, please let me know in the comment section. This is how the bag looks like. Just look at it. It is so smart. All the bags that I will be showing you mostly are slings with one exception, one or two exceptions actually. This is in the this is from the brand called Exotic. Here are the details of this brand. You will get it on Amazon. I purchased everything. This is an Amazon haul only. So this is how the bag looks like. This has a beautiful dusty pink sling here as well. Now this one you get a ton of space. If you look at it, this is quite deep. Despite being a sling, it fits. I have used this bag already once, so it fits water bottle, small umbrella, sanitizers, a little bit of makeup, everything. It has got tons of space. You have a slipping compartment here as well where you can keep your keep necessary stuffs. Here is the main compartment and here you get another compartment, your compartment where you can keep cash and all, your secret compartment. So you get quite a lot of compartments here to keep your stuffs organized and not just pile on top of another. And on the back as well you get another compartment, which is great. So even in this compact size you are getting tons of space and you can put in a lot of things, and you have got these golden beads at the base which helps you maintain the structure of the bag when you place it on a surface, which is something that I like a lot. I don't like supreme structure, but then I don't like very loose bag as well. I like somewhere in between. I can play along depending upon the occasion and where I am going. I like to change what I carry with me. The color combination is very beautiful with the pink, the blue, the white and the orange. It's very smart. It will look stunning with every attire that you want to wear this with, from a kurti to a denim jacket and everything. You can pair it up. It's very versatile. The color, the size, it's just perfect. This is probably the best bag, one of the best bags from this purchase this time. I love this bag a lot. The chains are very good. The quality has not been compromised. The color is very nice. Even the slider, I don't know what this is called, the slider which helps you slide the chain and open it. I don't know what this is called, but this is also good quality. Here the name of the brand is written, Exotic. I don't know whether you'll be able to see or not. Yeah. Overall, it's quite good. The material, the quality and everything, the color is very good. So this retails for, this is called the crossbody sling. It doesn't happen to be the crossbody for me because I'm tall as well as plus size, so definitely this doesn't work as crossbody for me. But if you're a thin person and then also with a average height, it might work well as a crossbody. For me, it's not a crossbody; it's a normal sling. So the mark price is rupees 1299 and I paid rupees 474.05. So 474 rupees for this one. So quite happy with this purchase. Because I have used it, I know how good this is. So that's why I will definitely recommend you to try this one. This came in a packet where all the, everywhere the name of the brand Exotic is written. So this came quite safe and it had tons of paper inside it so that it retained the structure. I threw it away when I used it. So, and also it becomes difficult to store if you have those paper and plastic wrappings inside. So that's the first bag. Extremely happy with this purchase. Next one is another bag that I was extremely happy to lay my hands on. This is how it looks like. It also came in a plastic bag like this, and this is how this looks like. This sling came not came inside this. That one had the sling inside this, but this one came just like this. So this is how it was wrapped up. Again, plastic material was there to fill up and maintain the structure. This is a smaller bag compared to the other one, but this is a very pretty grey and white bag. The floral prints are only on one side. This is the frontal part, and the back has only a chain. This chain is of good quality as well. It's very spacious. You can keep your mobile and everything. The chain here has a tassel-like thing which makes it looks nice. And when you open this, you get tons of space here. Now this one has got compartmentalized sections. This expands to fit in both the sections, and you have a divider as well where you can place additional stuffs if you want to for safekeeping. Here, this is the central part, divider chain. This is the right hand side, this is the left hand side. You don't have any secret compartment on one side like the other one, but you do have a slip-in compartment here extra. So this is the one. So you get one slip-in compartment, one compartment, and then this inner partition which is also a compartment, and then you get this side. So you can, even in this small space, you can actually fit in a lot of stuff. But however, this section, this is not something that goes till the end, because this is joined. I don't know whether I can show you or make you understand. This is joined on the both side, but this is how it can be crumpled up. So this is a thing in between. Otherwise, this is one whole big compartment with one slip-in pocket here. And of course, you have that extra space here. Now this bag I haven't used, but this seems quite sturdy and nice in quality. This looks beautiful. Just look at the color scheme, this white and orange flowers. This is a flower in Bengali we call shiuli. So I quite like that flower. It's quite sweet, and anyways, I'm a white floral girl, so I am always attracted to that. And against the grey, this pops so beautifully that I just thought I had to lay my hands on this, and this looks stunning. It's the perfect shoulder length. I mean, this is not a super long sling. For me, finding a sling that is actually super long is difficult because I am on the taller side. So that's why all the slings usually are not very lengthy for me. But this is a decent size as well, so it's fine. Now this one retails for rupees 1999, which is absurd. 2000 rupees is too much for this. I paid rupees 399, and that seems to be exactly how it should be. I mean, no slings or anything should be more than this, I believe. But then, yeah, depending upon quality and branding and all that, things vary. I'm quite happy with this one. Moving on to this one, just look at this. This is a round design bag. This is something I have been eyeing for a long time. My mother had it long back. Trends are always changing, and older things come so that we can also experience how it is. My mother had that, and I always wanted something like that, but then that bag got destroyed, so can't use it. Never mind. So this is how it looks like. This pattern is very beautiful. This mint green color is very nice, and here you get tons of space as well. So you have this one compartment, and Inside it you have a slip-in pocket as well where you can keep stuffs. Next to this you have another compartment, another zipped compartment, so you can segregate stuffs as well. And these are not super structured bags, they will expand, which is something I like. So this is the next compartment, and this one doesn't have any slip-in pockets and all. This one has, so you can keep your cash or car or keys and all that here to keep it safe. And this is the front side, which is very beautiful in the pattern and all that. And on the back you have this again another zip where you can store some essentials, mobile and all that stuff. So it is quite spacious. I love the sling that comes with it. It's partially chained and partially the PU leather material. It's very good quality. The quality has not been compromised at all. Only after usage I'll be able to tell you how this fares, but looking at it, it definitely can store a lot of stuffs. The space at least tells us that. So extremely happy with this purchase, looking forward to use this, mostly because of nostalgic reasons, that my mother had something similar. She had something that was bigger. Mine is comparatively smaller because that's the trend, but yeah, so happy to lay my hands on this. Now the marked price for this one itself is 799, 800 rupees, and I paid rupees 329, which is just about the right price for a material like this. This is PU material, so you're not getting original leather, so this price point is just appropriate. It's just fine. I highly recommend you to try this one. I'm very happy to lay my hands on this one. Next I have another piece from Exotic. Again, they have that thin sheet for protection and all. And this is how it looks like. It's a half moon bag. It's very beautiful, black and pink. The only thing is I don't like the material for this. It will look very nice if you carry it, but because the print goes on the handle as well, so this will definitely go with a lot of dresses and a lot of occasions you can wear, take it to. The only thing is the material is a very hard material. The other ones are so soft and so nice and structured. Even in structure they have that flexibility of expanding. This one doesn't have that. Like if you open it, this is the maximum amount of space. I am a person who likes to carry my world with me when I'm outside my house. So this bag will be only useful for me when I'm going somewhere close and I don't need a lot of stuff. But if I'm going for going out for an entire day, I won't be carrying this bag. Why? I'll tell you. This is the amount of space that I'm getting. You get a slip-in pocket here. You can place certain stuffs. You also have a secret pocket, secret compartment here, and at the back you get a chain as well. So if you're judging by the compartments, yes, there are quite a lot of compartments, but since this is not of that material that it will flex out and it will accommodate depending upon how many items you are placing inside. This is going to give me personally a hard time. Since the design and the color and everything was something that I liked a lot, I didn't return it. Just look at it, so it's so pretty looking. So that's precisely why I didn't send it back. But as a bag, will I recommend it to you? If you are a person who likes to travel, go anywhere very lightly, you just have a mobile and maybe some loose cash or cards with, then this bag will be good enough for you. I don't belong to that category. My wallet itself is quite big, so I need a decent amount of decent size bag where a decent amount of stuffs can get in. So this will not do that for me, is what I feel, what I'm feeling. It is expanding. See, the base is only this much, no? So it can't expand beyond this. So this might be a judgment issue from my side, right? So yeah, if this suits you, this is a very beautiful looking bag. The material is a bit hard. That is something I don't like as well. So yeah, I won't be recommending this to you, but if you think that you will enjoy a bag like this, you want to have a bag like this in your life, then definitely you can try it out, because this genuinely looks good. And for the price point as well, I'm not very happy. I'll tell you why. Because this is the mark price for this is rupees 1399, 1400. I paid rupees 569. So this is the only product that is above 500, and that too the product that I don't supremely like. So not very happy with this one, that's what I'm going to tell you. It's like two leaves joined here. The color scheme is very nice. This is a nude color, this is a tan color, and this is where the brand's name Fargo is written. And this is a PU material. And when I open this, like a butterfly, it opens, and you have this small zip. You open it and you have got this tons of space. There are no compartments, no slipping pockets. So if you're okay with tote bags like this, where you can just dump your stuff, take it up and go away, then this is going to be a very helpful, useful bag for you. This bag itself feels like nothing. It seems like there is no weight on it. I would have preferred if some sort of a back chain or anything would have been given with this. It is not given, so that is something I think could have been done better. And the finishing of these, the stitches and all the joints and all are also quite nice. So it looks quite sturdy. I have used this bag once already. It was nice. I could carry my world the way I want to travel. I could fit in a water bottle, sanitizer bottles, and umbrella and all that stuff, my wallet and everything, and still I had a lot of space inside. It folds like this, so it will not take up a lot of space in your cabinet where you store your bags. You can definitely hang it and store as well. Completely up to you how you want to store it. This has got these four structures in the back, at the bottom as well, so that when you place it on a surface, it retains this structure, and not the entire structure. I mean, you can place it and it stays. That's it. Less actually, because if the tote bag is this flimsy, no matter how you place it, I don't know whether it's going to stick and stand, because when I carried it on my arms throughout the day. When I came back, there was no scope for me to place it and test this out. But yeah, this is the last bag for today. I love the color scheme. Quite happy with the purchases this time from Amazon. Quite happy with all the bags. It's just one bag, which is the black one. I'm quite on fence because of the space, the way I want the space to be in a bag. It's missing, so I will find out a way to work with that. But yes, with that we have come to the end of this video. I hope you had a fun time watching this. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a like, share it with your friends, and comment in the comment section which bag did you like out of these. If you have purchased any bag from Amazon, do let me know in the comment section as well, and we can get our comment section chatty. So and we can exchange our experiences, right? It'll benefit somebody definitely who's reading through the comment section and is looking for a proper bag. And if you have made it till this far, thank you for watching. It means the world to me. But before you leave this video, please consider subscribing and ringing the bell icon next to it so that you're notified for all my future uploads. And you can also follow me on my social media. All the details are there in the description box below and at the end of the video, so make sure you check it out. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy. Bye.